Welcome back to the Autoland, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, cars, and everything in between. If you love classic machines with a modern twist, you're in the right place. Today we have something truly special, a legendary name reborn with a vintage soul and modern engineering. That's right, we're talking about the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Vintage Pickup. This is more than just a truck, it's a statement, a nostalgic trip back to the golden era of pickups, but with all the performance and tech you'd expect from today's top-tier machines. So, if you're a fan of classic pickups or just love trucks that blend power with heritage, make sure to stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the latest and greatest vehicles. Let's get started. Trucks have always held a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts, and when it comes to American pickups, few names carry as much weight as the Chevrolet Silverado. Over the years, the Silverado has evolved, adapting to modern needs while staying true to its rugged roots. But for 2026, Chevrolet has done something extraordinary. They've taken a step back in time while moving forward in technology. The 2026 Silverado Vintage Pickup is Chevrolet's answer to the rising demand for retro-styled vehicles with modern capabilities. It's a throwback to the iconic Chevy trucks of the 1970S and 80S, blending classic aesthetics with the latest in engineering, safety, and performance. But what exactly makes this truck special? Let's break it all down. From the first glance, the Silverado Vintage Pickup immediately commands attention. It brings back the bold, boxy design that made classic Chevy trucks so popular. Instead of the curvier designs seen in recent years, this truck is all about sharp lines, squared-off wheel arches, and a stance that screams old-school toughness. The front grille is a standout feature, inspired by the legendary 1980S Silverado. It sports a massive chrome grille with the classic Chevrolet badge proudly displayed in the center. The headlights? A perfect mix of retro and modern. Square-shaped but fitted with LED technology for improved visibility and efficiency. The front bumper is simple, yet rugged, reminiscent of the steel bumpers found on vintage models. Moving to the side, you'll notice flared fenders, a long hood, and a traditional straight-edged profile. Chevrolet offers heritage paint schemes including classic two-tone color options like red and white, blue and silver, and even a sunset orange and beige combo that pays tribute to old-school Chevy pickups. To complete the look, the Silverado Vintage Pickup sits on retro-styled wheels with white letter tires, giving it that unmistakable throwback feel. At the rear, Chevrolet has stayed true to the classic design, incorporating a tailgate with embossed Chevrolet lettering, just like the trucks of the past. The taillights are vertically stacked but with LED technology to keep things modern. A steel rear bumper adds to the ruggedness, ensuring this truck isn't just for show, it's built to handle tough jobs, just like its predecessors. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and the Silverado Vintage Pickup continues to impress. Chevrolet has done an incredible job blending retro styling with today's comfort and convenience. The dashboard features a simple, clean layout reminiscent of the 1980S Silverado, but with a modern twist. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog dials and a digital display, giving you the best of both worlds. The seats are wrapped in premium leather or classic plaid fabric, inspired by the old-school Chevy trucks. You can even opt for a bench seat in the front, a rare feature in today's pickups, but a beloved throwback for vintage truck enthusiasts. Of course, Chevrolet didn't forget about technology. The infotainment system is housed in a 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. There's even a retro-themed digital clock on the dash, mimicking the old-school Chevy radio. And speaking of sound, Chevrolet has partnered with Bose to offer a premium audio system, ensuring your road trips come with high-quality music. Under the hood, Chevrolet has given the Silverado Vintage Pickup 3 engine options, catering to different needs. 1.5.3 LV8, a naturally aspirated powerhouse producing around 400 horsepower. This engine is for those who love the traditional growl of a V8. 6.2 LV8, the high-performance option, cranking out around 450 horsepower, perfect for towing and hauling. 3.3L Duramax Turbo Diesel. For those who need torque and efficiency, this engine delivers 460 LVH-FT of torque, making it an excellent choice for work and long hauls. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent fuel efficiency. And for those who love off-roading, Chevrolet offers the Z71 package, which includes upgraded suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. The Silverado Vintage Pickup isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. With a maximum towing capacity of 300 pounds, it can handle trailers, boats, and heavy loads with ease. The payload capacity is equally impressive, ensuring it's not just a showpiece, but a true workhorse. For those who love to hit the trails, Chevrolet offers an off-road ready edition featuring a lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, and a locking rear differential. Whether you're heading to the job site or exploring the wilderness, this truck is built to handle it all. So how much will this classic modern beauty cost? Chevrolet has positioned the Silverado Vintage Pickup in the $50,000 to $70,000 range depending on the trim and options. While it's not the cheapest truck out there, you're paying for heritage, performance, and exclusivity. Chevrolet plans to release this special edition in limited numbers, making it a collector's item from day one. If you want to get your hands on one, you'll need to act fast when pre-orders open in mid-2025. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Vintage Pickup is the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. It brings back the rugged, boxy charm of classic Chevy trucks while packing in modern tech, comfort, and performance. Whether you're a longtime Silverado fan, a collector of vintage-style vehicles, or just someone who appreciates a well-built, powerful truck, this one is worth considering. What do you think? Is this the perfect mix of old and new? Would you drive the Silverado Vintage Pickup? Let us know in the commentary. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Chevrolet Silverado Vintage Pickup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more exciting reviews and features coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.